adventure is playing with Play-Doh Part 3. Yay! So here's my cake from the last video, and today we're going to be finishing it.
Nothing.
Yeah, Evelyn didn't really do anything. She was just playing with the Play-Doh. And so
I'm not playing.
I know. And so I have one layer, so I always have to make the next and next layers. So it's gonna be 2 layers. And boom. We can only have 2 layers because I don't have enough of this. But I'm gonna make like something to put on top of it, like a flower.
Yeah. No, I don't know.
Okay. So there's my cake.
Nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then let's make a flower.
Yeah, I'm making horsey.
Well, I'm putting the frosting on. So this is going to be the frosting. You're making a cookie?
Yeah.
So the extra white is going to be the frosting. So this is how you make it. So, use that thing, or you can use it everything. Try to make a circle, and then you stack them on top. And then,
circle.
so here's the frosting. It's vanilla frosting. It's just what the people like for their cake.
I'm making horsey. How what you eat?
So I'm just folding it around like this.
Not in hot. I'm making hot.
Star?
Not in hot.
Okay.
Nice.
So there's the cake with the frosting around it. See, it's not that good. But that's okay. Well, it's not really a cake. Okay, so now I'm going to take some other Play-Doh. I'm going to use this one for the flower.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to use this red Play-Doh for the flower.
That's fine.
Yeah, it's fine.
Come on, I'm not using it.
Okay, so I don't know. Now, I just made the flower.
I am flowers.
And I'm going to take
Tall.
a little bit of orange. And put it in the middle. There we go for the flower. It's not going to mix, Evelyn.
Okay.
And there's the cake. Ah, that looks super good. I like it. And there we go. I like that cake. And then, if you want to, I think I'm going to add, you need some designs on it. So I think I'm going to take some, some red, and I'm just going to make some dots around it. It's super cute. So guys, this is, playing with Play-Doh, part 3. And guys, we're probably gonna make some videos of, I don't know, but yes, we love it. So I'm just making some dots. It's not gonna mix. I can always take this off. It's not mixing. Just don't put...
No. Come on, let me.
Yeah, don't squish it too hard. I'm just a little bit patting it.
Make it a little bit not bad. Come on, I don't know harder. I don't like it harder. No.
How's that cake look?
Yep, I like it.
Okay, so here's the cake.
I love it.
I love it.
Mom, no cream. Come on, here. No, come on, I'm not like that. Huh?
So,
Not all you that. Come on. Not like that, right? Come on.
so here this is.
Tame. Now I'm making
So now I'm
no
taking
powder.
off the dots to just.
Yeah. Now I'm making no powder. No powder.
You should make a dog bed.
I know I am.
Oh, she's making a little dog bed. That is cute, Evelyn.
Come on, what more not here for on it? Wait, what I'm making this.
Okay, so put some of this back.
What
That's cool. I like that.
What these? The pit.
It's just the outside so the dogs don't get out.
No, for and now. No.
Yeah.
No.
I'm just taking off the frosting. And you can take off the frosting, just don't push it down really hard. And even though it can mix, the white can mix, but see, and then I can still, I don't think it could. Oh, here we go. And then I took both the layers off. See, it was a nice, cute thing. I really like making like cakes and stuff like that. And this one's not going to be a long one. So after Evelyn's done making her doggy bed, I think we're going to be done. Okay, that looks like a good doggy bed. Yeah, that's enough.
I know.
Evelyn, don't push. Sorry, sometimes Evelyn pushes.
Not all, no. Tata. And Tata, not more, right? Okay, not no house.
It's a little doggy bed.
Yeah.
And here, I'll put a little pillow. And a blanket. For you, Evelyn. Evelyn made a little doggy bed.
You not my. You not my.
Yep.
You should. I mean, you Toto. Come on, you can.
Here's
talk.
Evelyn's little pillow and the blanket.
No.
Okay, so I have to break it. Okay, guys, so that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel. Bye.
Yeah.
Have a nice day.
Bye.